Oh my God! My new secretary, Sarah, is at the door, and I forgot to tell my wife about her. I thought my wife had gone to the store, but she's still here. What should I do? I know, I'll just say I'm going to take a shower. Honey, I'm going to take a shower.
Can I ask about Mr. Henry?
He's in the shower. Who are you?
I'm Mr. Henry's new secretary. I'm Sarah.
I see. He didn't tell me. Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single. I hope I'm not bothering you. Mr. Henry needs some important papers.
You're not bothering me at all, Sarah. You're just doing your job. I'm sure you'll fit in well here. How did you get this job with my husband?
I graduated recently, and I was lucky to get this job. Mr. Henry saw potential in me.
I see. It must be an interesting journey. How did you end up in this job?
I've always been good at organizing things, and I like office work. I studied business, and that led me here.
Your qualifications are impressive. I'm sure Mr. Henry sees something in you.
Thank you. I want to help Mr. Henry and make his office run smoothly.
Have you done this kind of work before, Sarah?
I did an internship at a big law firm while studying. I did administrative tasks and helped the senior lawyers. It was a good experience.
I see. Mr. Henry has high standards, and I'm sure he thinks you're right for the job.
I appreciate his trust, and I'll do my best.
Sarah, you're a beautiful young woman. Is it tough working in a professional place when people notice your looks?
I believe in professionalism the most. Even though I know people might judge by looks, I want to be recognized for my skills and hard work.
That's good. It's important to be valued for what you can do, not just how you look.
I agree completely. Work should be about your skills, not appearances.
Ladies, I hope I'm not interrupting. Sarah, I called you here to review important paperwork in my study. Let's go there.
Why didn't you inform me about hiring the new secretary? I'm the company's director, and I lead HR development.
I understand your concern, dear. It's just that you were on leave for the past 3 days. The decision to hire the secretary was made through our HR manager. I had plans to tell you, but you were occupied at the party at your parents' house.
I see. I was indeed busy with the family event. Thank you for understanding.
I'm glad you're okay with it. I've had a chance to talk to her, and I find her very professional.
That's good to hear. Professionalism is vital in our business. I trust your judgment.
Thank you for understanding, dear. I promise to keep you more in the loop in the future.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel.